Alright, tech enthusiasts, ZTE is back with a new phone, and it's packing some serious heat. This isn't just another mid-range phone, it's a statement. I'm talking about the ZTE Blade V70, a mid-ranger that's trying to stand out from the crowd. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it's aiming to make a mark. On paper, it's got the specs to turn heads. We're looking at a device that promises high performance and cutting-edge features. But does it deliver in real life? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is that ZTE isn't shying away from going toe-to-toe with the big dogs. It's clear they want to compete with the best in the market. We're talking a 108-megapixel camera, a dynamic island-inspired notification system, and a sleek design that feels anything but budget. These features are designed to catch your eye and keep you interested. For a mid-range phone, the Blade V70 is making some bold claims. It's not just about the specs, it's about the experience it promises to deliver. We're going to break down each of these features, put them to the test, and see if ZTE has a real contender on its hands. From the camera quality to the user interface, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned, because things are about to get interesting. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a new phone, you won't want to miss this. Okay, let's talk megapixels. In the world of smartphone photography, megapixels are often the first thing people look at. The ZTE Blade V70 boasts a 108-megapixel main camera, which is pretty impressive for a phone in this price range. It's not every day you see such a high-resolution sensor in a mid-range device. We've seen this sensor in some flagship phones, and it's known for capturing tons of detail. The clarity and sharpness you get from this sensor are truly remarkable. But it's not just about megapixels. A good camera system is a combination of hardware and software working together. The Blade V70 also rocks an ultra-wide lens and a dedicated macro lens, allowing you to capture a variety of scenes and subjects with ease, giving you some versatility in your shots. Whether it's a sweeping landscape or a tiny flower, this phone has you covered. Plus, ZTE has packed in some AI smarts to help with low-light photography, which is always a plus. The AI enhancements can make a significant difference in challenging lighting conditions. Now, does the camera performance live up to the hype? That's the big question. We'll be putting it through its paces, testing it in various scenarios, comparing it to other mid-range phones, to see how it stacks up against the competition, and seeing how it handles everything from daylight shots to low-light selfies. We want to know if it can deliver consistently good results. Stay tuned for the full camera review. We'll dive deep into all the features and performance metrics. You can't talk about the ZTE Blade V70 without mentioning its dynamic island-like feature. Clearly, ZTE was inspired by Apple's design, and they've integrated a similar pill-shaped cutout at the top of the display. This cutout isn't just for show. It houses the front-facing camera and also serves as a hub for notifications and multitasking. You can control your music, see incoming calls, and manage other tasks, all without leaving your current app. We'll be diving deeper into this feature, testing its responsiveness and seeing how well it stacks up against Apple's implementation. Is it a gimmick or a genuinely useful addition to the Android experience? We'll find out. Let's dive into what makes the ZTE Blade V70 tick, and why it stands out in the crowded mid-range market. At the heart of this device is the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, a powerhouse in the mid-range segment. This chipset is known for its balance of performance and efficiency, making it a reliable choice for everyday tasks and more demanding applications. Complementing the chipset is amount of RAM and storage amount of storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for your apps, photos, and videos. But hardware is only half the story. The software experience is equally important. The ZTE Blade V70 features a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate means you can expect vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredibly smooth scrolling, enhancing your viewing and gaming experience. And let's not forget about the design. The ZTE Blade V70 is crafted with a sleek and modern aesthetic. It features thin bezels around the display, providing a more immersive viewing experience and a comfortable in-hand feel that makes it easy to use for extended periods. We'll be putting the Blade V70 through its paces, testing its gaming performance, battery life, and overall user experience to see how it holds up under various conditions. Can this phone handle demanding apps and long days on a single charge? We'll explore its battery efficiency and how it manages power-hungry tasks. Stay tuned to find out as we delve deeper into the capabilities of the ZTE Blade V70, bringing you a comprehensive review of its strengths and weaknesses.